Hi everyone, today I'm gonna do another project of my 100 Python project challenge, and for this challenge I'm gonna do a reverse word construction, and I'm gonna use a function for this. First I should initialize my function, and I should add a parameter because uh, it should take it should take words. Needs a parameter, and this parameter will be my word. Now I can do it two ways. First one will be the string slicing. I can just write this. Now what it does, I need an example string. For example, hello, sorry, not here. I should define it here. Hello. What it does, it starts from -1. -1 is this word. It starts from here, then it goes to here, and it prints for this word OLLE, OLLEH. That's what it prints. We can call the function and see result, but I shouldn't use return if I want to see result. I should use print. Then I should call this function. As you can see here, it printed OLLEH. Now, actually, I can finish this function here, but I'm gonna show another way of doing this instead of using string slicing. If I can just, I should first define an empty string. I shouldn't use this word because it can corrupt with normal str, normal string word. I should define another. I should use another name. I will use just string, and I will define it as an empty string. Now, for in word, I shouldn't use in word. I should use reverse function on e. Reverse function, just, sorry, not reverse it. I should fix it. What reversed function does is just does the same thing with this. It just reverses the word. And I should add this reversed word to my string. I will show it how this for loop works in a second. Then I should just return the string, and I should print it here. It will just return the same thing, but I should show it. Yeah, as you can see. Now what my function for loop does. First, it takes this word, then it adds this word to my string, and I can show it actually. If I print E here, as you can see, it takes first letter of my word, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth, and it adds these letters to my string. Then it returns my string. Difference between print and return: if I just print it, my function returns nothing. It returns none. But if I use this return word, it just returns the value of this string variable. This is the difference between using printing function and returning function. And yep, that's it. I can use another word, for example. I can use school. Sorry. And yep, it just reverse and prints this word. I can remove this print function. As you can see, I did it two ways. First, I used string slicing, then I used reverse function. So you can use which way you want. And I guess that's it for this project. And we will meet again in next project. See you again.